What's the meaning of cope? Cope. Cope.
Cope. Cope. The word cope can be defined as the ability to deal with difficulties or challenges effectively. It implies that a person has the necessary skills, resources, and mindset to handle a given situation. In essence, coping involves adapting to stressors in a manner that promotes personal growth and reduces negative outcomes. Successful coping can lead to improved mental health, increased resilience, and better overall outcomes in various domains of life. Conversely, ineffective coping can contribute to increased stress, anxiety, and other negative consequences.